All right, so this is how I want you to set up your paper. Your shapes are on the top. We're not worrying about the shape too much of our trees. They're just kind of globular, free-flowing shapes. They're overlapping to make tertiary colors. And we are going to now do the bottom, kind of like our grass down here, all on the bottom. And we are going to follow the same color pattern. So I'm going to start with red. I'm going to do quick kind of lines with my paintbrush. If you just want to paint a stripe or a strip, a thick strip, that's okay too. But the idea is to overlap. So now I'm moving on to my orange, and I'm going to overlap my red with orange and then move on with just orange. So we're going to get that tertiary color where they overlap, our secondary color where they're not. Moving on to yellow. I'm going to paint some yellow, and then I'm going to let it overlap. Rinse my brush really good because I don't want to make Mr. Brush unhappy. I'm going to move on to green. I'm going to do a quick few green lines, and then I'm going to let it overlap with yellow. Rinse my brush. Moving on to my primary color blue. I'm going to do some quick grass lines with blue, and then I'm going to go back and over the green and let it overlap. Some quick lines of purple, go over my blue and let it overlap. Then I'm going to start over. If you want to just do one rainbow order, red, and end over here with purple and make it a little thicker, go ahead. I didn't do mine as thick, so I'm going to start over. I'm going to do red. And then I'm going to let my red purple overlap, a new color we haven't worked with. Again with my secondary color orange, because it comes next in the rainbow. Move it over to the red, let it overlap. Then yellow. And it looks like I'm only going to have about enough room to end on green. And so really what I'm looking for is that you are mixing your tertiary colors using your secondary and primary colors. And this is step 2.